Understanding people. Why do people do what they do? Why do they buy? What are the motivations to buy? Are they driven by fear, or are they driven by logic? Who are you selling to? Is it a middle-aged woman, or is it a younger dude? Like, really understanding people, how the brain works, why we make the decisions that we make. Those kind of skills layered on top with even just some very basic sales and marketing techniques will make you deadly in any area. A lot of people go from the other way, right? Like they find the business idea and a passion, and they don't then go to understand people and everything else. So if you can get that basic psychological foundation knowledge laid up with some sales and marketing before you write your business plan, that's a deadly skill to have.